What do I do?
He's got the camera. Yeah, he's taking your camera. Hey! He's got Prime!
I was gonna say, is that Logan Paul?
Yeah.
Those are huge. The way he bounded from one car to the next, like
Those
it
are
was nothing.
huge, you man.
Fellas.
That would scare the Christ
I would take you out, 100%.
That's South Africa.
No, it's not.
Is it?
Cape Town street.
And that's just on road?
That's looked it to me.
Ooh.
Just saying. Just saying.
Ooh. Cause I didn't know we were even. Yeah. That's really quite terrifying.
Yeah.
He bounced on those cars.